Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Lumen5 login issues, brand kit and export errors step by step clearly. To resolve Lumen5 login issues, start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Open your browser settings and locate the privacy or security section. Select the option to clear browsing data. Ensure you check both cache and cookies before confirming the action. Next, refresh the Lumen5 login page. If the issue persists, try using a different browser. Sometimes, browser compatibility can cause login issues. Another option is to disable any active browser extensions. Extensions can interfere with website functions, including logins. If you are still having trouble, reset your password. Click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email. Once you receive the email, follow the instructions to set a new password. After resetting your password, attempt to log in again. If you encounter brand kit errors, ensure your assets are properly uploaded. Check that your images, fonts, or logos meet Lumen5 specifications. If assets are still not loading correctly, remove and re-upload them. This can often resolve loading issues with the brand kit. For export errors, make sure you have saved all changes to your project. Double-check your internet connection to avoid interruptions during the export process. Lastly, try exporting your video in a lower resolution. This can sometimes help bypass limitations in processing. If all else fails, reach out to Lumen5 support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.